I'm going to show you today the tools you'll need to build your home bar. Let's start first with the most important, the Boston shaker. Two components with the Boston shaker. One is the pint glass, which is 16 ounces. One is the shaker tin, which is 28 ounces. Next you have jiggers. Do yourself a favor, get two different sizes. There's a lot of different measurements in making cocktails, so go ahead and get yourself two different sizes, or you can get a small little measuring cup. Also, we have a Hawthorne strainer. The Hawthorne strainer goes with this portion of the Boston shaker. I also have a julep strainer, which goes with this portion of the Boston shaker. Next, you have a double strainer, also a tea strainer. What this is good for is double straining out some seeds or pulp or ice chips in a drink. Next, we also have the wine key, which you want to always have in your home bar. We also have a channel knife. The channel knife is great for making specialty garnishes, doing long spirals, lemon spirals, orange spirals, things of that nature. We also have a bar spoon in order to stir Manhattans, martinis. Some of them come with a little tiny muddler on the other end that you can kind of hit mint or different herbs and spices. You also need a muddler. There's a lot of different types of muddlers out there, but you want to make sure you get the one that isn't varnished because it will come out in your drinks. And along with that, you want to get yourself a hand squeezer. Hand squeezers are very important to squeeze the fresh juice for your cocktails. Fresh limes, fresh orange, fresh lemon. Very important for making fresh cocktails. Also, you need two different types of knives. You want to use a paring knife, which is for cutting smaller fruit. You might want to use a larger knife to cut mangoes, pineapples, larger fruit, grapefruits, things like that, and a cutting board. All of these tools will come to around $50. You can get them online. You can get them at your local restaurant supply store. But do yourself a favor. Go out and get yourself some tools and have fun at home making some drinks.